A powerful, yet small microwave oven and broiler in one. The Panasonic 2-in-1 microwave oven with Flash Xpress Broiler NN-GN68KS is a multi-use kitchen appliance that makes cooking delicious family meals and snacks a breeze. Now you can broil with grill-like results using the Flash Xpress Broiler. Or use it as a microwave to cook, defrost, and reheat food quickly and easily using smart cooking technology like inverter, which cooks food evenly, and Genius Sensor, which automatically calculates cooking and reheating times. 7 preset auto cook menu options, a quick 30-second button, and a dedicated popcorn button are simple conveniences that make cooking easier. A 1.1 cubic feet capacity, first a 13.4 inches turntable, and has an easy clean stainless steel interior so you can easily wipe clean splatter and spills. The sleek, modern design matches have a stainless steel front panel to match almost any kitchen decor. Its compact 12.2 inches height by 22.3 inches width by 20.7 inches depth footprint fits easily even on small countertops, or you can build it into your kitchen cabinets using an optional trim kit. Sold separately. Rated output power microwave. 1000 watt, rated output power broiler. 1100 watt, rated voltage 120 volts 60 Hz. Download the Drop app to get delicious new recipes designed just for your Panasonic. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Flash Press Broiler allows the microwave oven to be used for broiling with grill-like results. The specially designed broiling rack lifts food close to the infrared grilling element for a crispy brown finish. Number 2. Genius Sensor Cooking built-in automatic Genius Sensor adjusts power and times based on different foods. Other advantages include 18 preset menu items, quick minute timer, delay start, and child safety lock. Number 3. Microwave controls 7 preset auto cook menu items, 13.4 inches turntable, delay start and timer, more, less control, child safety lock, quick 30-second and popcorn button with 3 cooking levels. Number 4. Minimum countertop footprint smart. Compact microwave broiler design devotes less space to electronics and far more interior capacity. Just wipe with a damp cloth. Number 5. Rated output power microwave. 1000 watt, rated output power broiler. 1100 watt, rated voltage 120 volts 60 Hz. Number 6. Microwave cooking plus instant broiling, together. Inverter and Flash Xpress Broil cook fresh, flavorful vegetables, omelets, side dishes, and more. Plus cook, reheat, crisp and brown veggie frittatas, pizza, and more at the same time. Number 7. Easy clean interior. Improved 1.1 cubic feet. Interior surface material enables quick, easy oven cleanup. Number 8. Cooking made easier. Features include 1100 watt power, 1.2 cubic feet capacity, 11 power levels, smart controls, 3-level popcorn button, 13.4 inches turntable, and manual controls for your own recipes and menus. Number 9. Genius Sensor Cook and Reheat. Take the guesswork out of perfect snacks, meals, and leftovers. As foods heat, the Genius Sensor monitors emitted steam to calculate and adjust remaining cooking and reheating time for delicious results. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.